I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to delete a scheduled post on X. And to be clear, you can only delete scheduled X posts on the X website, and you can't do this in the X mobile app. Step 1. Open a web browser, navigate to x.com, and then sign into your X account if you're not signed in already. Step 2. Click Post. A new X post window opens. Step 3. Click the Schedule Post icon in the menu in the lower left part of this window. The window opens where you can schedule your X post. Step 4. Click Schedule Post. A list of your scheduled X post is displayed. Step 5. Click Edit in this window to make your scheduled X post selectable. Step 6. Click to select any scheduled posts you want to delete and then click Delete. A window pops up asking if you're sure you want to discard these scheduled posts and letting you know that this can't be undone. Step 7. Click Delete. Your scheduled X post will be deleted. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.